Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in this particular video I'm just introducing you to our trade manager or trade assistant, whatever you want to call it. But this helps you to manage your trades in the Forex market. It's very simple, easy to use, and it's very beginner friendly. Now what it does in a nutshell is it does things automatically for you. For example, if you want to risk 1% of your account with 50 pips, it will give you the amount of lot size that you should use. So right now this is set to 10%, but let's try 1% to see what that would be like. If I'm risking 1% of my account, it says that I should be using only a lot size of 3. Okay, so that's good. It saves me a lot of time. I don't need to calculate my lot sizes and stuff like that. This is very important for people who are trying to pass prop firms and do their prop firm challenges, because I know those prop firms, some of them have a particular risk that you have to take per trade. For example, Fivers, I believe, they don't allow you to risk more than 0.5% per trade. So if we were doing a Fivers challenge, we would put in 0.5% and we would know that the lot size is 1.50. Or maybe, if we want to be extra safe, let's do 0.25%. And we would know the lot size is 0.75. So this helps you to save a lot of time. You don't need to be getting your calculator. You don't need to be going to an external website to input any information. You can just do it right here on your MT4 or MT5 terminal, because we have this for MT4 and MT5. This trading panel is very easy to use. You can drag it anywhere that you want. You know, maybe you want to see what the charts are doing here, so you can drag it, or maybe you want to put it all the way over here. It's very easy to use. Once your trades are open, you have certain functions that you can do. You can move your stop loss to break even. You can close 50%. You can choose to close trades in profit, or close the ones in loss, or just close everything. Because I like to do that on a Friday. On a Friday, I love to close all my trades, and unfortunately I wasn't able to do it today because yeah, the market is basically closing right now, so I can't even close these. But anyway, let's go to the management side. So on the management part, you can see where you have the trailing stop. So it's very simple, because sometimes you have to step away from your computer. Maybe you have a job and you have to go to work, so you just place your trades, you just let your computer stay on, or use a VPS and just have this running so that the trailing stop can kick in and manage your trades for you. All right, and it'll display your balance, your equity, your drawdown, and stuff like that. Now your equity protector is the most important thing, because it stops you from trading. Right? So for example, if your target profit for the day is $500 and you say, after I get this $500, I don't want to trade anymore, then this robot, this trade assistant, stops you from trading. So once you hit a $500 profit, it stops you from trading. It won't allow you to open any trades. It's the same thing for loss. If you hit a big loss, $4,000, it stops you from trading that day until the next day begins. It's the same thing for a week. Maybe your weekly profit target is $1,000. Once you hit that profit target, it stops you from trading. So if you hit that profit target on a Monday, you won't be able to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. You're going to have to wait until the next week. All right. And of course, it's the same thing for loss. All right, guys. So this is a very good trading assistant. It's basically like it is your assistant. So I'm going to put the link to this in the description of this video. You can check it out. It's perfect for beginners, and it's very cheap, because I know many of you guys are just starting trading, so you don't really have a lot of money to be spending on tools. All right, so this is just $30 at the moment, but I may increase it to $50, but nothing more than that, because again, it is for beginners, to be honest. All right, take care, guys. See you next time.